pretty babies. Sedona and Phoenix puppies, 5 weeks old. Who wants to come outside? They've never been outside. They're not sure. It's kind of hot out here. Come on outside. So 2 girls on the right. And who is that on the left? I can't see if that's orange or red. That's orange, boy. Come on, guys. Come on outside. There's red in the middle, orange on the left, pink. There you go. Pink on the right. Come on over here. Come and see me. Who wants to come outside? Let's go, babies. They're yellow and sage. Oh, found some water. Oh, gotta play in the water bucket. That's part of being a lab. Sage, are you gonna come outside? Hi, Green. Green's like, I'm not coming outside. It's hot out there. Come on, bubbies. Come on, Donna. Can only hold the dog slap up for so long. Okay. Ah! It fell. Now what are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen now? Come on, you can do it. Is that purple? Come on, baby. There's yellow boy. Yellow ribbon boy. Water. I see your little noses. Donna. Careful. Don't bonk them. They're trying to come out as you're going in. Hey, come here. Let me see if I can hold this flap up again. Come here. Come here. Let's see. Who wants to come out? There's Sage. Come on, buddy. There you go. Come on. It's really hard for me to get the camera in the right spot if I have to hold a flap up. Hi, Yellow. Hey, how you doing there, buddy? Sage. Who else is in there? Hey, Blue. Blue, Blue, Blue. Hi, baby Blue. Oh, he's so darn cute. You're the cutest, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're the most spoiled because everybody picks you up and holds you and loves you and kisses you to death. Are you the cutest puppy? Are you the cutest puppy? He's so sweet. Yes. Oh, now we're gonna play in the water. That's typical. Yeah, we gotta play in it. We don't want to have clean water for very long. We gotta make it dirty. We'll figure it out. Come on, turn around. Pinky. Pink, 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 pink. There you go. You got it. You got it. That's a good girl. What are you saying in there, Mr. Green? You going to come outside? Puppy. Oh, who's helping you with the camera? Red, are you helping me? Puppies. Okay, I gotta let go of this door flap. Come on. Come on, Sage. In or out? Somebody's making it all the way down the steps. Is that Orange Man? Come on, Orange. Oh, you are so cute. Oh, I just love all of you. It's not fair to have to pick just one. Is that Red? Hi, Red. Hi. They're little monsters. They're tanks. You guys are growing like weeds. Oh. It's one way to go down the stairs. Hi, baby. Hi, baby, baby, baby. What are you doing, Orange? Come this way. Pinky, what are you gonna do? You gonna pounce? She's gonna pounce. So this is the big adventure. Well, I guess you gotta go. Get the rest of them.